So about 3 or 4 years ago, I planted these hybrid willows. They're like a commercial type of willow which grows very, very fast. And I think perhaps our ground is maybe a little dry here. Maybe they would do better on wetter ground. But this is probably my second harvest from these guys. When they turned up, they kind of looked like this. They were little sticks about 30 centimeters long with a neat secateurs cut either end, and basically you just find the right way up, the little buds point the right way up, and then you stick it in the ground and Bob's your uncle, it will grow, provided you plant it the right time of year, not in the summer. So these ones here are about 4 or 5 meters long, and they came from this patch down here, which was like a sort of not very well kept flower bed type gardeny, decorative garden area when we first bought this place. And I planted the sticks in here. You can see roughly how tall they were when they started, because all the plants have got this little kink here, which I think is just where the original stick was stuck in the ground. And this plant tree has grown from the stick in about 3 or 4 years. And you can see here where we've been trimming it off at a certain height, and we've got this like clumpy sort of head, and every so often you get a large leader coming off, which goes all the way up, and those are the ones I've been cutting out and chopping up for firewood. I mean, to be honest with you, it seems like a bit of a waste. They look like they would make good broom handles or something, but it's a very light wood, not overly strong, and to be honest with you, I doubt it will make very good firewood. It's because this was sort of an experiment really. I thought, well, what can I do with this bit of land here to get something out of it which was useful. And as you can see, there's quite a few in there, and most of them I've been having a trim of today with the reciprocating saw I've been using, which is actually quite a good tool for this, because it's got a very thin blade and you can poke it in between all the different sprouts. I mean, I'd be happy to get some advice on what you think. I mean, whether to trim back all these extra bits, so this main sprout, if you like, or trunk, is that good to trim all these other ones back so all the energy goes into that one? Anyway, who knows. But so yeah, after, what is that, a kind of about 50 meter squares worth of planting, I suppose there. Let's pace it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 times 5 times 15, 75 square meters. 75 square meters of planting at roughly 1 meter spacings, and 3 or 4 years, and that will give you about about 1 wheelbarrow full of substandard firewood. So there you go. Not really very productive. Maybe it'll speed up over time. That would be nice, because obviously the bottom part of the tree will maybe thicken up over the years and have more energy in it, so say. And then after each pruning, maybe the top part will grow back quicker. Who knows? But I've always been interested in growing willows. I think we learnt about them at university because they were being used in biomass projects at the time, and were seen as a bit of a kind of a bit of a wonder plant. But yeah, I don't know. I mean, probably not really worth doing, but for a bit of fun, why not, you know? And a wheelbarrow full of logs is better than nothing, but really that's about the only positive things you can say about it. So there you go. Have a go if you want, perhaps don't bother.